going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I did say that we were gonna have a 7-year anniversary vlog, but yeah, it got way too lit. I do have some clips, but not really, because we were like just trying to have fun, and I can't really record when I'm fucked up, or you know. Today, it's actually fucking wet outside, so can't really do much. But today, Dallas actually got his seatbelt harnesses and his actual harness bar. So we're gonna show you guys how to put that in. And he kind of did put it in already, but I'm low-key telling him to take it apart so we could show you guys. What you guys been doing? I haven't seen you guys for probably like a week. But I don't even see you guys, so it doesn't fucking matter. But if you guys did order any stickers, banners, mirror visors, they all have been shipped out. I want to thank you guys for all the love and support. Head to the website, go pick up the visors. There's still some visors, so if you guys didn't get any, you're missing out. There's still visors. I'm gonna put the link right up here. What's up, y'all? We're at Dallas's house right now, and he wants to get a roller. Woo! Everything is running sweet. If you guys watched the last video, his car is perfect, running perfectly fine now. And yeah. Now I'll show you guys the harness bar right now. It's right now Hoffman just got the Sparkle, authentic Sparkle harnesses in. Even on the stock one, but he said he's gonna get another bucket seat. The harness is over here. It's legit. I'm gonna pick one up for my wagon for the looks, you know. But Hoffman's actually using this. But it's universal. And I think it's like only 90 bucks. But yeah, we're about to go get some rollers right now. That's Hoffman's. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But this is Dallas's car. All the gauges. Fucking lit. It's a party back here, fam. Hoffman D at work. What are you doing?
I don't have an alternator cap plug thing, so I'm just gonna tape it.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna get some rollers of his car right now, and yeah.
Hey guys, today we're installing these and that, but it's not in sight, so.
And that! Oh, gang!
So basically what we gotta do is we gotta hook up the harnesses on the inside first. So the harness bar isn't in the way when we fucking put it in. And then you try to put that shit in. And then this is gonna be a bitch.
God, you on crack?
So this side.
And that! Oh my god! Jesus, take fucking 3.
So it's gonna be easier on this side because I have a fucking bucket seat, so there's all this room to attach this side of the harness. But the stock seat's probably gonna be a little different. I might have to take her out.
Oh yeah, there's like no room right here at all.
And that!
Bro! Bruh.
Because I can't get anything in there. Look at the space.
He said after.
Jesus Christ! Oh god, can I get this out now?
Oh my god.
Oh, I got it.
Bro, how are you gonna
Wait,
do that?
can I get the bolt out? Maybe not. We'll see on the next episode of
These Nuts.
I have to beg him to work for me. He always comes and tells you broke niggas.
New phone, who this? Oh yeah, she stripped. Oh.
No, she looks fine.
Oh, I fixed it.
It's probably just the
Just
tip.
re-thread her. You gotta re-thread her through.
I'm gonna use a wrench.
Your dad was the one who said, oh yeah, I
So right now Hoffman is putting in the harness because you don't want to fly out the car. These are the side of the harnesses too, like the right side.
Oh yeah, we're doing the harness bar too.
Yeah, the harness bar is gonna go across, so it'll be stable up here. And then for the stock seat, yeah, usually people do not do harnesses on stock seats because that's trash. And Hoffman,
Yeah, don't do that.
because it's really dumb. You should just honestly just get a bucket seat. There's more room, like what Dallas said, on the side. And honestly, we probably have to take out the seat to actually get to what we did over here. So it's the same process.
Dang, this
but
bolt actually fits, bro. The new one
oh really?
that came with the spark.
Oh, you could probably use that instead of the strip bolt. Well, it's not even strip, but
this one's a little longer, so
yeah. But anyways, you gotta do the same thing we're doing on this side to this side. But there's like no room since it's a stock seat and it's like really fat. And you didn't even hook it up, huh? Right here? Did you? No? But yeah, Hoffman's gonna get a new seat. And I just dropped my fucking shit. But Hoffman's gonna get a new seat, so everything works way better and everything
all
will
you
go
do
together.
is sandwich these bitches, put them in. Oh, but see, I don't have a washer. That's bad news. But
So,
wait,
yeah.
I got a washer. I lied.
There you go, the washer. And you got that space, gang shit. And then you basically just put it back together and you got a harness on the right side. Did you do it on the left side?
Yeah, no,
No?
because you connect it with the harness bar.
Oh, okay.
At
So,
least that's what I did.
but yeah, that's how you do it on the left side. So it's the same process, but it's just really like a bitch.
Yeah,
So there you go, and this side is done. It's pretty stable. Yep, there he goes.
So you just tighten her up, you know, with this too.
Yeah, that's to adjust to how tight you want it on the side.
Go ahead and throw this dumb sensor off to the side.
Just want to hide it up. That's for the stock seat. That's the sensor, right?
Yeah.
do what you just did.
And yeah.
Knock those
You
studs
need
out.
your whole car.
Why don't you just wait till I'm done real quick?
It all has to
when
go,
he
man.
leaves, and then we'll just go to your house.
I want to make the car roll.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Where you going with that? And why'd you bring it back, bro?
What? I don't know what you're talking about, dog. This shit was dirty, so you know, I just went and cleaned it up. This is how you install carpet one-on-one, brother. Oh, no. It's a little off, man. There we go. Looking good.
If you're using your stock seat, oh shit. They're like right here, covering the bolts. Yay! And then you go ahead.
So right now you have to take out the 4 bolts on the stock seat. Left, right, left, right. And that's about it. And you gotta take the bitch out.
We'll at least turn it on the side so it could attach the harness. Dude, I hit the lotto.
I'll go buy some Wingstop ranch and take it home.
Damn, how many cents? That's like 54 cents. 54 cents, that's almost like a car wash for 3 minutes.
Ooga dooga.
Oh Strip Nation, bro.
Oh yeah, Strip Nation. Nope. Maybe. So once you take your seat out and just open your back door and then turn it or whatever, then there should just be 2 Phillips to take the cover off.
Damn, you should have said that on the second part. It's like, he said, crash it soon, we can get it out, need to call.
Found it.
So the only thing you want to get to is that bolt right there. The one right there for the other harness for the left side.
Oh fuck. All my bolts and shit just flew.
So I don't know what size that is. What size is that, Hoffman?
What?
The seatbelt?
A 14.
14, yeah. So you just get a 14 out and then you just apply it on top.
Oh shit. Don't lose the washers or anything. Just feed her through the hole.
Nah, I knew he didn't want anything. Then once I did, I was something about it. I was like, nah. I'll do it.
Then you just match them up. Same way it came off.
Hey, good thing y'all didn't have to pay the tow truck at least.
You need to drop a track, Gus, and call it cabin fever. And just talk about everything that happened at the cabin.
We got back. We got, bro.
Hey, you gotta talk about that mice I killed.
We got back. We sit in the kitchen.
Josh.
Yeah. He's in the 2 screws and the bolt. And now we just put the 4 bolts back on and mount the seat back up and we should be good.
Hey, this shit's red. This is dope.
So right now we're gonna, alright, so right now we actually put all the harnesses in, and after putting all the harnesses in, you put the harness bar in. So this is the part you guys have been waiting for, I'm pretty sure. Because a lot of people just like to get the harness bar for looks, but honestly, it does work. So this is how the harness bar comes. Usually it's all disassembled. There's like bolts here, and then these little end plates right here. This is a whole end plate, and then there's a bolt right here, and same on that side. Right now Hoffman's bringing in the harness bar, and we're about to show you guys how it goes.
So you just get a flathead screwdriver and pop off. There's these little plastic covers.
Hold it. Hold it.
No, not that.
No.
This just covers it. Pop it off. Just get like a flathead in between, and then it exposes the bolt.
So you basically put that in the plate through the hole, just like the other harnesses and stuff, and you screw it back into the wall.
I noticed that, but like, does that still work or not?
You want me to hold the other side?
Is there a way to make it
Here,
work?
I'll hold the other side.
Hell yeah, we be talking to.
This is more like a 2-person job because someone else has to hold the bar.
Not really.
I think you.
I did it by myself.
When it was
But-
apart.
Yeah, you're supposed to take these little things off, but I'm just being lazy. And it's causing more complication.
That's how it's supposed to look.
Hey, like, alright, watch.
See that end plate folds out, so it could be on here.
Yeah, you feel the energy. Huh? Watch. Oh, cool.
Put that through.
Robert, do you feel the energy? What? Oh yeah. Tell me I was just like.
So you just tighten both sides, and you're good to go. And you also got the bottom brackets
Not
right
that
here.
easy. He's lying to you.
Alright, so after you do the inside for the harnesses, you can take the bottom bolt out. I had to go to the hardware store and get a longer bolt because I'm using my stock seat belt, the harness, and the harness bar. So if you don't use your stock seat belt, it'll give you more room, like for the bolt, but I don't know if it'll fit.
So you're just using a longer bolt just in case. and it's long enough.
Yeah.
And you just slide it in, just like, it's pretty like
Make
straightforward.
sure you're using a washer. And then I put these on the other side. I need to push this up.
You push it up more.
So it stops.
There. And it should look like that. And you just gotta tighten it up. That's one side done. Finally got it in. And everything's in. We just gotta tighten everything up. And yeah. So this is how it looks. Hold on, let me step out. That is how it looks. There we go. And then you just hook up your harnesses and you're good to go.
Damn! My grenade blew his shit all the way over here.
So Hoffman bought these separately. They're like 15 bucks each. They kind of like organize your little strappy right here, but it's tight. Once he like straps down and everything, he just needs to put it on the other side. But how much were these? Dallas each? 15 bucks?
Yeah, I don't even know why I bought them. I'm gonna just cut the ones I already have.
Yeah, but yeah, this one's it's really good. It's really nice.
Because they have this dumbass attachment thing, so I just
Oh,
need
you
this. So I'm gonna just cut it.
Cut it off like that. Yeah, but I mean, little things. But yeah, it's starting to look fresh. Put this one on this side. It'll look like that. Banger. Anyways, guys, that's how you install the harness bar and the harnesses like properly to your seats. But last look on it, this is exactly how it should look. But Dallas hasn't put in the harnesses on the actual bar, the harness bar. But anyways, that's how you guys install it. It's pretty straightforward, super easy. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching and thanks for coming back to the channel to check up on us, you know. And it's pouring. That's another reason why we didn't really record. But thanks for everyone that was wishing us a happy 7-year anniversary. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys had a good one. And we'll see you guys next time. Deuces.